Yeah, chicky. I just want to close that. Aw, great. They're too fast. Look at my baby chicks. Look at my baby chicks. Cute. Pick up my hand, watch. Ow. Aren't they adorable? They are adorable! They're eating. Is there again the sultans and the guinea pigs. I mean guinea hens. They aren't guinea. You know what I mean. Okay. Go ahead, try to attack me. Again. Come on. Whoa. There you go. And here is a beautiful hen. Hey, Rizdan, just trying to take a video of y'all. And then beautiful black and the one that laid all the eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exactly 6. So look at my cow. Whoa! Okay, you scared me. I'm not feeding you. I can't feed you. I will pet you. Smell. He licked me. Smell. Come on. Look at all these feathers. Awesome. Look at my phone. See? Hey guys. This is Darcy. Titi. Hey, Titi. And that is what I love about my phone and blah, blah, blah. Okay. And my name is Aubrey Lene Watson. Taking this video.